there, it's Ashley from WTI. What I have here is this amazing shampoo. This is my first time using the SheaMoisture line at all, and I got their Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. My hair has been more dry ever since I started coloring it again, so I've really been on the hunt for shampoos that are going to add in that moisture back into my hair, and I will tell you, this is amazing. Just a little bit of this goes a long way. It foams up so much and you can feel the moisture in the shampoo. This is amazing. This is by far my favorite shampoo right now. It's sulfate-free and it's color-safe. So if you do have colored hair, this is going to be good for it. It also has different oils in it. It's made to restore dry, brittle hair. I have curly hair and it works really great. I would highly recommend this. I love it. It smells so good. But that's just my point of view.